your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. How's it going, guys? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG. We're here at CES and we're at Nuu Mobile, and they have a really cool product that just came out. And I have Matthew to tell us a little bit about it more. It's actually the G4, if you want to point right there. It looks like an amazing phone, but I'm going to have the main guy tell us a little bit more about the specs and how great this phone and the features.
This is our new flagship coming up at the end of first quarter here. It's called the G4. It's a follow-up to our current flagship, the G3, which came out at CES last year. The upgrades over the G3 are that, first of all, it's a global phone, so it covers all of the bands, so you can take it anywhere in the world and use it without worrying about incompatibilities. It's also an upgrade in the RAM. It goes from 4 gigs up to 6 gigs. It comes in variations of 64 gigs of internal memory up to 128 gigs. It has dual camera like before, but now it's 16 and 8 megapixels on the back and 16 on the front. It's going to have AI functionality in it for automatic scene detection, so that'll be really great. That's leveraging the AI and the Helio P60 chip. That's also an upgrade over last year's phone. It's got Android Pie out of the box. We just upgraded the G3 to Oreo, but this will have Pie right away. It's got an upgrade on the battery from 3,000 up to 3,700 milliamp hours. It's got wireless charging, which the G3 didn't have. Of course, it'll have NFC, face unlock, fingerprint and ID, and it's voice over LTE compatible, but it's a fantastic phone. Now, one of the things that excites me the most about the G4 is the G3 was a really beautiful phone, had this great shimmering effect on the back, which came in all these different colors. Now this is our sort of baby blue variant, and it's sort of a callback to the G3. It has that same shimmering effect. But the other G4 variants they're all very distinct. Like this one here you see in the stand-up, this is our pearl white G4, wow, and nice. It's a matte glass material and finish, and it has that pearlescent quality to it. It's a very beautiful phone, very premium. This is polycarbonate right here. Yeah. Actually, this is really impressive because I mean it looks a lot like our G3. But the G3 they were all glass. This one in particular is polycarbonate, but it looks just like the glass. The polycarbs start at $250, and then our most premium one is this black ceramic.
And the price is still the same?
Well, the ceramic is a little more. Ceramic's a little more because I mean it's a higher grade material, of course. Plus it's got the 128 gigabytes of RAM, or sorry, internal storage, and so that'll be about $320, I think. So starting at the low end, 64 gigs internal, polycarbonate shell, that's $250.
That's still not bad, comparing to phones that are about $1,000.
It is. It's really great. I mean, like for this sort of spec sheet, I think it's very competitive. Plus the wired charging, I didn't mention that. The wired charging is like an 18-watt, charge rate. So, I mean that's a lot. That's more than a lot of our competitors. So whether you're doing it wireless for convenience or if you want to plug it in, you can get it away from the wall that much faster.
Get it very fast.
Yeah.
What is that? Approximately like about, let's say, an hour charge, full charge? Or about?
Maybe not the full charge, but yeah, about an hour for most of it. Yeah. We're still refining that a little bit, but yeah.
You have your power button on the right-hand side and your volume rocker. And then you also have a USB-C down at the bottom with both speakers. And on the left-hand side, you do have your SIM card slot, the memory slot as well. Might be expandable to about 256 gigabytes. So if you want more memory, you definitely can add some. In the back of the phone, we do have the dual SIM card. You do have your fingerprint sensor and your flash. At the top, you have your cancellation mic. Like I mentioned before, that beautiful blue color, and you have the pearl white as well. So you have multiple options that you want to get for the G4. When will it be released?
End of first quarter, so say end of March, maybe early April.
Okay. And what is the way they can get it if they want to get this phone?
Well, right now we're planning on selling it directly through our website and also through Amazon.com.
And it's super fast. You don't see any lags. It's a 2 gigahertz octa-core processor.
Yeah, it's more or less the equivalent of a Snapdragon 660. So.
Amazing. And for $250, you really can't beat that. All right. Thank you so much, Matthew.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Again, I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in that phone. Make sure to check out Nuu Mobile. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Thank you.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.